Trekking. It's a journey, a challenge, and an adventure. But have you ever wondered how trekking gear has evolved over the years? From heavy, bulky packs to ultralight, high-tech equipment, today, we're diving deep into the evolution of trekking gear and how it has transformed the way we explore the great outdoors. Let's rewind to the early days of trekking. Back then, hiking wasn't just about adventure. It was a true test of endurance. The gear? Heavy, rigid, and far from comfortable. Trekkers carried massive canvas backpacks with wooden frames. Boots were made of thick leather, sturdy but painful after miles of hiking. And tents? They were bulky, heavy, and a nightmare to set up. No wonder only the toughest explorers could handle these conditions. Fast forward to the 1970s and 80s, and here's where things start to change. Enter nylon, aluminum, and Gore-Tex game changers that made trekking lighter and more efficient. Nylon replaced heavy canvas, making backpacks water-resistant and way easier to carry. Aluminum frames offered better support, and Gore-Tex? It revolutionized hiking boots and jackets, keeping trekkers dry while allowing breathability. Now, let's talk cutting-edge tech. Today's trekking gear is smarter, stronger, and more comfortable than ever. Boots now feature shock-absorbing soles and ankle support, reducing fatigue on long hikes. Trekking poles? Many are made of carbon fiber, making them ultra-light yet super strong. And tents? Self-standing, waterproof, and weighing less than 2 kilograms. Imagine telling an early explorer that their entire tent could fit inside a backpack pocket. Mind-blowing, right? But there's one more important shift: sustainability. As trekkers, we love nature, so why harm it? Today, many brands are using recycled plastics, plant-based fabrics, and responsible manufacturing to reduce waste. Some even make biodegradable hiking boots. Every choice we make can help preserve the mountains we love. So, what's next? The future of trekking gear is looking insane. We're talking smart gear that adapts to your body, AI-driven backpacks that distribute weight evenly, and even self-charging jackets powered by solar energy. The possibilities are endless. From heavy leather boots to AI-powered trekking gear, we've come a long way. What do you think is the most game-changing innovation in trekking gear? Drop a comment below and let's chat.